Foods that help burn fat. 1. Avocados. It seems like a falsehood, yet all the same. It's valid. Certain food sources can really assist with consuming fat. There are supplements and mixtures found in certain food sources that assist with expanding your digestion, use energy to process, consume fat, and fabricate muscle. What's more, consolidating these food sources with standard activity and a sound way of life will assist you with shedding fat in pounds quicker. You don't have to have a severe, exhausting eating regimen. A great deal of food sources that assist with consuming fat are loaded with flavor, can be cooked in various ways, and can be eaten as a tidbit or part of a dinner. To lose fat and weight, and to get truly necessary energy for a workout, eat these 19 food sources that assist with consuming fat. Many individuals think avocados are terrible for you since they're high in fat. However, actually, avocados are comprised of good fat, and can assist your body with switching off fat capacity chemicals. The solid monounsaturated fats in avocados switch off your craving, yet at the same time give you a lot of protein and fiber to keep you full and give you all the energy required for decent exercise. Another of the carbs found in avocados energizes and increases calcium retention, a necessary piece of disposing of undesirable fat. This implies that despite the fact that avocados are viewed as an unhealthy, high-fat food, actually multiple thirds of the calories in avocados come from monounsaturated oleic corrosive, which the body uses as a gradually moving energy source. So, consider monounsaturated fats over polyunsaturated fats to further develop glucose balance and glycemic control, which can forestall weight gain and diabetes. So welcome to the guacamole. For more vids, comment, like, and subscribe. Don't forget to download your free ebook link in bio. The best 350 low-carb recipes.